Hmm? Kung ano ay sa aircon. Oh, someday, only baby.
Hello, teacher.
Where are you?
Hi, teacher.
Hello, then. Good afternoon.
Chào cô đây. Good afternoon đây. Hi, teacher.
Hello. Are you happy today?
No.
No. Where's your headset now?
Đây, người đi.
Where's
Chị.
your headset?
Đây, chị. Máy tính.
Ah, okay, okay. Did you forget? Did you forget about the class? Okay, okay. Teacher's going to wait.
Im lặng ấy.
Okay, Vin. Let's just have this one here, Vin, while we wait for the laptop.
Ngồi xuống.
Okay? While we wait
Chào.
for the laptop, Vin,
Đâu? Đây,
Vin,
cô.
Merry Christmas!
Cô
Merry
chụp.
Christmas!
Cô đây.
Wish you a Merry Christmas!
Ê. Con đừng nói like được với cô.
No Christmas! No Christmas!
Yes.
No Christmas. I see. Vin, did you go to school today?
Yeah.
Wow! Did you have fun?
Chị.
Did you have fun at school?
Cái chị mới biết.
Okay.
Từ từ. Okay, okay.
Okay. All right. Hi, Vin. Can you hear teacher now? Can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. Are you happy with your headset? Yeah? Are you happy with your headset? No? Oh, yeah. Are you happy today? What is that?
No. Ah.
Okay. Then, okay, teacher's going to ask you a question, okay? Wait. Waiting. Ah, did
This
you
question.
receive gift from your mom and dad for Christmas?
Bạn có nhận được quà Giáng sinh từ bố mẹ không?
Yes.
Wow! Did you receive toys?
Bạn đã nhận được đồ chơi chưa?
What did you receive then?
Vậy bạn đã nhận được gì?
No? Did you celebrate it or not?
Bạn có tổ chức lễ kỷ niệm hay không?
No.
No, you did not celebrate it. I see. You don't have Christmas. Okay, so that's a book. Is it a book? Then? What is a book?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Are you happy about it?
Yeah.
Happy? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you say thank you to mom and dad?
Con đã nói lời cảm
Yeah.
ơn với bố mẹ chưa ạ?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Very good. Now, Vin, are you ready for our class? Are you ready?
3 hours.
Ready?
Hour.
Okay, teacher's now going to
Yes.
read.
Ink.
And let's see if you still remember the words.
Ink.
Hãy xem bạn còn nhớ những lời đó không nhé.
Okay, the first one is
Ink. Ink.
how about that? How about this one? What is this? India.
Indian.
Very good. How about the third one? Yay! That's very good. Okay, so now how about
Ink.
the
Indian.
next
Insect.
one?
Indian.
How?
Eagle.
Yay!
Eagle.
Wow, that's the eagle. How about this? How about
Huh?
what is that?
Indra. Indra.
Igloo.
Okay,
Island.
island.
Andrand. Andrand.
Again, one more time.
Andrand. Ice cream.
Very good. Honey, you have to say island.
Island. Island. Island.
Island.
Ice cream.
Cream.
Ice cream.
Okay, now. Okay. I am so happy. I am so happy and proud that you still remember all the vocabularies.
Tôi rất vui và tự hào về bạn vì vẫn nhớ hết tất cả các từ vựng.
Very good. Okay, now.
Not good.
Not good. Oh, no, you're not
Yes.
good.
Yes.
You're good. You are good.
No good.
You're not good. Teacher is good.
No good.
Mommy is good.
No good.
Okay, let's have the structure, honey. You say, I don't like. Or you
I
like.
don't.
Okay.
I don't like. I don't like.
Do you like
I
ink?
don't. I don't like.
How about the ink? Do you like the ink? Do you like the ink? Yes or no?
No.
You say, I don't like ink.
I don't like ink.
How about the Indian? Do you like it or no?
And then no Indian.
I don't like Indian. One more time.
I don't like Indian.
Yay! How about this? Do you like insect? Do you like insect?
Yes,
You say, I like insect.
I like insect.
Yay! Very good. Okay, next. How about this?
I like cream.
Yay! Very good. Next. How about this one? How about that one? How about that one? How about that one?
I
What is
don't
that?
know. No,
Island.
I like.
Island? Do you like the island?
I like. No, I don't. I
You
like.
like
I don't.
you like
I like
island or you don't
island.
like island? You like the island. Okay,
I know, like. I know as I
you don't like island? You don't like the island?
Yes.
You say, I don't like island. One more time.
I don't like island.
Island. One more time.
An island.
What's island?
Island.
Honey, that's island.
Island.
Yay! Very good. That one is island. Next. Do you like this? What is that?
I like igloo.
Very good. Perfect. Yay!
Tap. I'm good at.
Okay. Next. Oh, honey. I forgot this one. You say here.
You.
I like Indian.
Indian.
I like insect.
Cream.
I like ice cream.
I like ice cream.
I like island.
I like island.
I like igloo. How about this? You say, I don't like ink.
I don't like ink. I don't like Indian. I don't like insects. I don't like ice cream. I don't like island. I
Yes.
don't like glue.
Okay. Great job, my dear. You mastered everything. Oh,
Mọi thứ.
no. Yay!
Giỏi lắm em yêu. Em đã làm chủ mọi thứ rồi.
Okay, let's have the playtime.
Yo.
Let's go on to the playtime, honey. We have here this one. You're going to fill in with the letters. You write the letter here. Is it big I or small I? You write the letter whether it's a big I or small I. Whoa! Whoa! Let's see. Yay! Very good. The first one is correct. Great job. Very good. The third one. No. This
You.
one is not. Mhm. This should be small I. Yeah, this one should be small I, baby. Yes. Okay, now let's have this one, honey. What is this? Is this igloo or island? Igloo or island?
Stop, stop,
circle.
stop.
In circle. Encircle the correct answer.
Khoanh tròn đáp án đúng.
Very good. That is the correct answer. Yay!
Yo.
Okay, next, let's move forward to the next one. Is this ice cream or India? Ice cream or India? What is that? Yay! Very good. Okay, next, how about this one? Is this bee or insect? Bee or insect? What is that? That one is bee. Yay! Very good. Great job, my dear. Okay, now, how about this? Is this Indian or Italian? Indian or Italian? What is that?
Hey.
Yay! Very good. You're such a smart boy.
Cậu
Hả?
bé thông minh thật đấy.
Yeah, you're very smart.
No. No.
Aren't you smart? Oh, you are smart.
No
Okay,
smart.
No, you are. Next, okay, you're right. Okay, you're going to answer whether this one is a big eye
Fish.
or the small eye. Big eye or small eye? What is it? Yay! Very good. It should be small eye. Great job, Vin. Smart boy. Okay, next. All right, let's have the checking time, honey. Let's go to the checking time. What can you see? I can see ink and ink. Okay. One more time. I can see an ink. I can see an Indian.
Hả?
Then say okay.
Yeah.
I
Okay,
can
one more
see
time. Okay, very good. Now, what can you see? Honey? Hold on. Wait. Wait for teacher. Again, I can see an igloo.
I can
Very-
see it.
Next,
The
an ice cream. Yeah, I can see an igloo.
cream.
I can see an island. I can see an ice cream. Yay! Very
Đã
good.
không nào đỏ.
Okay, let's sing, honey. Let's
I
sing
like
together.
food.
I like food.
We're done with the song. Okay, teacher is now going to share the other screen, honey, or the other material. We are already
Yes.
done with lesson 1, honey. Are you ready with lesson 2?
Yes.
Ta đã hoàn thành bài học đầu tiên rồi em yêu. Em sẵn sàng.
No, this one is wrong.
Chúng ta đã hoàn thành bài học 1 rồi em yêu. Em sẵn sàng chưa? Bài học thứ 2
Yes.
đầu rồi.
Yay! Very good. Okay, teacher's now going to share the screen. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh
Yay!
my goodness.
Okay. Okay, this one is a letter. What letter is this again, honey? Letter? What letter is this? Letter?
I can
Letter
see
I. Very,
I can see I.
very good. What is the sound of letter I, Vin? Vin, what's the sound of letter I? Huh? Sound of letter I. E, E, E. You. What's the sound? E, E, E. Your turn. Huh? Again?
Lỗi qua đến đây nồi đó mà cô nội đứng con tâm quá đó.
Okay. E, E. Very good. Okay, now let's have the checking time. What can you see again here, honey? I can see I can see an. I can see an.
Text. I can see a insect.
Very good. Here?
I can see a
Great.
see a I can see an
And I.
trend. Yeah.
Okay, next one. I can see an eye.
Yeah.
An.
Cream.
An ice cream. Very good.
An ice cream.
Okay, now let's have the warm up, honey. Let's have this. Okay, which one is the big eye? Which one is the big eye, honey? Big eye. Where is the big eye? Where is it? Where's the big eye? Yay! And this one is the, what is this one? What is this one again? This one is the small eye. Okay. Now, let's have this part, my dear. What is this again? Does it start with a big eye or a small eye? Yay! Very good. Next one. How about this? Okay.
This is small.
Very good. This one is small eye. Great.
No,
Okay,
good
now.
job.
Honey, you say I is 4. You say I is 4. Ah!
I is for iguana. For I is for iguana.
Yes, I is for iguana. This one.
Mm.
You say iguana first for 3 times. Iguana.
Iguana.
Yes, very good. Next one. What is this? What's that one? What is that?
Ill.
Ill. Ill.
Ill.
Ill. Okay, you say ill for 3 times. Ill, ill, ill. Your turn. Yes, very good. And then the third one. What do you think is this? This one is
In.
in. In. In. Yeah, you say in for 3 times again, honey. In. Okay, now you say iguana,
Iguana.
eel,
Eel.
in.
Iguana. Iguana.
Eel. This one is
Iguana. Eel.
in. Okay, anyway, honey, the time is already open, and we're going to meet again next time. Next week. Merry Christmas.